Our biology class, chapter 22, chemical coordination and integration. Endocrine glands and hormones. First, we understand what is endocrine glands. Since the endocrine glands do not have ducts, they are called the ductless glands. The secretions of these glands are called the hormones. There are certain well organized glands and some diffuses glandular tissues that secrete hormone in our body. Hormones. What is hormones? The classical definition of hormone is as follows. Hormone is a chemical secreted by an endocrine gland and released into the blood and transported to a distantly located target organ. The current definition of hormones says the hormones are non-nutrient chemicals that act as intercellular messengers and are produced in minute quantities. On the basis of their chemical nature, hormones are as follows. First is peptides and proteins. For example, insulin, glucagon, pituitary hormones, hypothalamic hormones. Second type of hormones are steroids like testosterone, progesterone, estrogen. Third type of hormones are amino acid and their derivatives. For example, neuropypherin. Fourth type of hormone is iodothyronins, for example, thyroid hormones. Human endocrine system. Human endocrine system consists of following. First is organized endocrine gland. In organized endocrine gland, hypothalamus, pineal, parathyroid, thymus, testis, or in female ovary, pituitary gland, thyroid, pancreas, and adrenal. In cell tissues that secrete hormones in the organs like liver, gastrointestinal tract, atrial wall, which is present in heart, kidney. You can see this picture. There is a location of endocrine glands. In this figure, you can see the location of endocrine glands. You can see here thymus, which is organized endocrine gland. This thymus is part of organized endocrine glands. As we divided endocrine gland system into two parts, organized endocrine glands and cell tissues that secretes hormones in organs like. So the organized endocrine gland is thymus and adrenal glands. You can see here pancreas. You can see here thyroid, pituitary gland, ovary in female, ovaries in females, uterus in females, and you can see here the testes in males. These are the example of organized endocrine glands. In our next topic, we will discuss about these glands and their secretions. Thank you so much.